All right, we're gonna do this big one here. This nice big one over my shoulder here. Right there. We're doing the neighbor's place on the other side. Took out a couple bushes in the front, so you see. So this big one here. So we'll do that. All right. Yeah, we just cut a couple little bushes they had in the front. All right, I'll go get started over here. I'll show you guys what we're doing here. So we're doing this thing here. I'll go out back and show you guys. Early in the season, beginning of April. Early to be doing hedges, but. Okay, you see Brian's up over there. You can see moving around a bit. There he is. There he is. See him? And I'll do this one right here. See what's going on over there? So Brian's over there. And I'm getting it done here. All right, just finishing this all up here. All nice and done here. Look how good that looks. Here too, we just got a little bit left there. Finish this up here. And that'll be it for this one. Only a couple more thousand left to go. All right, off to the next one. All done. Look at this nice little thing how it came out. I want to show you guys. Look at this. Still ice in the pool. Still cold out. All right, guys, one crazy one here. Look at all the tarps we have to put because of the flower beds. And the flowers aren't even out yet, but the client has stuff down and we can't get the hedge in it because he doesn't like that. So we got our ladder set up. Crazy. Must have 30 tarps out. 20 to 30 tarps. All right. Let's get this thing started if we want to get it done, eh? Look at that. All done. Crazy one. Goes good though. It's just really hard with all those tarps we have to put. Look how good that looks. These hedges here were put probably about 8 years ago, 7, 8 years ago. And the ones that are out back here, those are probably 50 to 60 years old. You can see how they're all different heights right there. That's because of snow over the years. You can see, if you can look, if you can see through, you can see how crooked the trunk is. You see how crooked that trunk is? All right, you guys, that's it for this one. Don't forget, you guys, like and subscribe and comment. Let's get this channel going. Try to get to 1,000. It'd be nice to get to 1,000. Tell me what I should do to get to 1,000. All right, take care, you guys. Enjoy.